These bus, but so are the structures that govern life aboard ships. Thus, MD cadets must navigate not only waves, but hierarchies, traditions, and social expectations. Today, aboard the MB Quality, 12 cadets confront these forces with courage and theory. They learn that being a mariner is more than seamanship, it also critical reflection of labor, gender, and identity.
We train for hours, work under pressure, and follow orders without question. Marx would say, we are not part of the labor system, and the benefits than us officers more than us cadets.
Marx says shows us how the maritime industry is structured. Some gain power and wealth, while others provide the labor that keeps the ship afloat.
So, awareness of the structure is important as knowing how to tie knots or read compass.
About women at sea. Even if we perform the same tasks, we're often judged more harshly, expected to prove ourselves constantly.
Where theory reminds us that disability and inclusion make us stronger as a group.
It's not about fairness, it's about safety, respect, and teamwork. A ship cannot function if half its crew is underestimated.
Being a core in maritime isn't just personal, it's political. Queer terrorists identities that don't fit norms are often erased or marginalized at sea. Silence can feel like survival, but theory reminds us visibility is resistance.
So we're not just sailing the ocean, we're navigating social currents too.
Cadets start to understand that mystery of the sea and mystery of the society and are intertwined to navigate current and storm. One must also navigate base hierarchy and exclusion.
Chief Officer Alvarado, cadets, you will only want to lead crews. Remember, Marxism teaches you to question power, value labor, and fight explanation. And feminism teaches you to recognize inequality, confront sexism, and empower women. Queer theory teaches you to respect identities beyond social norms, and your responsibility is not only to the ship and cargo, but to the people aboard.
On shifting decks, we find a place, not by birth or rank or face, but the courage to see and speak, to challenge the system that we.
So the cadets begin to see the sea as a mirror for society. The hierarchy, the gender biases, the silencing of queer voices, all reflect broader social structure. Theory is not abstract, it is lived.
You are the future officers of the sea, led with knowledge, courage, and reflection. Recognize labor, respect gender, and honor identity.
We rise as one, we rise as free. New voices claiming dignity from on the ship and in our hearts. A kinder world, a safer start.
And on the MV Equality, 12 cadets discovered that theory and practices are inseparable. The sea tests skill, but society tests conscience. BSMT is more than navigation, it is a journey of justice, inclusion, and courage.